The energy right now is all about movement, pushing, creating, recreating. There's a destruction and a rebirth happening, and not in the ways that we're used to seeing, the very masculine, forceful, external way, but in that very feminine water flow way. Rebuilding after a storm. I've just been snowed in Tahoe for the last week, so it's top of mind. And I'm now hiking on the trails that we're in. There's debris and puddles everywhere. There's the way nature rebuilds. Follow that. Be with that. Get outside. Be reminded of how that works, what that looks like, how it lands in your body.